one of our soldiers a hard time. Let that kind of shit fly in the big eyes.
What the shit's going on?
Cool out, man. The power's dead or something.
So what are we supposed to do? Sit here and wait? Man, we could be stuck here for hours.
Why you gotta be a downer, man? Ain't no point in complaining.
Man, I just don't like being stuck up the ground in the can, man. I got claustrophobicness.
Hey, look, a way out. Let's go.
I guess we're walking.
Some more! Yeah, fucker! That's what I like! Come at!
Let's get in there and do as much shit as we can.
Time to break some stuff. Fuck yeah! Hold on a sec. Flash, man. Wake you right up.
We're gonna have some action. Black is beautiful, but blackout ain't.
Let's move.
I'm coming, brother. Give me that TV. I saw it first. Now give it to me.
the best fucking spray you've ever seen. I'm out of here, assholes, but I'll be...
They can't touch me. They can't do a goddamn thing. You're a little punk.
I'm a hustler and a fighter. Can you dig
What the
that?
hell are you doing there? Hey man, this ain't a fucking art gallery, you know? That's what I like to see. The fucking warrior.
I'm gonna go check on Mama.
What the hell are you doing there? That's what I like to see. The fucking warrior.
I gotta find Maria! 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 Where are you?
Score, man. He's
Hey, bud, I need a hand
He's
here!
got nice specs around.
This is the American dream, baby! Thanks, bud! Right on! Oh, man, I hope I don't get killed or something! Everybody to the subway! We're gonna bust it all to hell! It's time to break some stuff! I'm gonna clear this place out! It's too bad no one can see how fly we can pop, motherfucker! I'm gonna get a five-finger discount from new coat! Yeah! This is the American dream, baby! Fucking shit up! You ain't getting out of here! Stop fooling yourself!
Grab whatever you can.
Fucking all right! I like this shit, man. It's too bad no one can see our Everybody to the subway! We're gonna bust it all down. I'm gonna get a five-finger discount on some new coke!
Watch my back.
Alright? This is everything for us, man! Hell yeah!
Hey man, this ain't a fucking art gallery, you know?
Y'all put the wrong starter bus into it. I've been waiting for some dumbass to do that. Come on, let's see what you got.
Hold on a sec.
Asshole! You want your crew to be your...
This ain't the American Oh yeah!
So, what do you think? Do we have enough meat to last us until the next century?
Fuck yeah!
So you want this radio? Why don't you come and get it then?
Fuck yeah! Grease some more!
I got the F that'll smack you till Tuesday.
Move out of the way! Damn, this city is out of control! Holy shit! Where are all the cops? Shut, pal! Oh man, I hope I don't get killed or something!
Christmas in the summertime, baby!
Somewhere we're gonna fucking all this down!
I'm gonna get a 5-figure discount on some new coats.
Ah shit, let's get out of here!
A blackout time to get down tonight! Christmas in the summertime, baby!
Ain't gonna stop!
Dag, I should snatch me a TV. You think it's funny messing with the law? You're coming with me. So you're the kid causing all the fuss around here, huh? It ends.
I laid you out!
We gonna need some action tonight.
You're going to jail, punk. Gonna be some good gambling tomorrow.
I should go steal his hair right.
You have the right to remain silent.
You better not touch my man. I better go check on the kid.
summertime, baby.
I was supposed to get my hair did tonight. We gonna see some action. All them DJs about plugging in the street lights. I should go steal his hair.
The only place you're heading is the slammer. Got that? NYPD unit.
Must be a full moon tonight!
Running home for help, coward?
I'm gonna sweep all these stores like a...
Someone's getting off with some bread tonight.
Fire and mayhem. Wait, this shit is real. Tear apart this whole place, man.
Stop resisting. You can't lose me, buddy.
Shit,
Just
this
give
is
it
getting
up.
too crazy. Better head back to Coney. Do the part.
You pussy.
Big worming away. All day. Looking good, man. Watch my back. Let's move.
That was great, man. Everyone was getting in on the action.
It's too bad them riot cops have to ruin our fun, man. Yo, check it out. The lights are coming on.
Good. The subway will be running in no time.
Who the hell are these dudes?
I don't want to find out.
I say we take off.
Let's stay out of sight, man. I don't want these freaks on our ass. Come on, guys, run!